In this first exercise, we're going to keep it really, really simple. And if you haven't warmed up, that's totally fine because your voice will warm up naturally during this exercise. We're going to take a very basic run like this, and we're going to apply a vowel to it or a syllable. You can choose any one you want. I prefer to use yeah. So I'm going to say yeah. Okay, so a riff or a run is generally a series of notes that are stacked right next to each other that go down very tightly and back up on each other. So this wouldn't be a riff or a run, yeah, but this would be yeah, as I go down and I back up and come back down again. And that's our very starting point for riffing. And we're going to use this all the time as our building blocks. So try this with me. Yeah. And get comfortable with it. We're going to move throughout your range. Yeah. Yeah. If you want, you can touch your larynx and feel what it's doing. Yeah. You can choose any vowel you like. You can switch to whoa. Whoa. You can do E. E. You can do anything. Just follow along. Yeah. And choose your own. Keep going. Now, if you take that very basic exercise and you do the same thing in a different part of the key structure, you're going to have something really cool. Check this out. I'm going to start on 5, which is sol. Do, re, mi, fa, sol. And I'm going to use a yeah. Yeah. Same exercise, right? And then I'm going to continue from mi down to do. And I'm going to change my vowel to whoa. Whoa. So it goes like this. Yeah, whoa. I'm using the same exact building block, fundamental exercise to turn something that was just very regular into something that sounds a little bit more like, hey, that's really cool. I want to do that. And you could be, yeah, whoa. And moving on, you can go, whoa, yeah. And moving on. Awesome. Let's do one more thing with this exercise. Still the basic building blocks of riffing. We're going to invert it. And we're going to go, yeah, whoa. We're just starting on 3 this time, on me. So we'll do the bottom one first and then the top one second. Ready? Let's do this. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, whoa. Yeah, whoa. You can see that you can have a lot of fun with this depending on how many ways you want to use it. And we're going to be building out on this, so click next for the next part of the exercise.